starting position. They're set. Green light is up and they're away. Zero In showed a little speed, but the other one, Barak Anabrak, got out of the gate very quickly and is driving through to take up the early running. Ideal Joe's been able to jump in for the trail, and coming across was Pensini into the open in the breeze in third, looking to try and find a spot closer to the peg line. Our Montebello Bro's got a position 3 back the markers. Is going to just ease, I think, here and give the room to Pensini, but she got pretty tight and friendly there around the turn. Caught without cover was Diamond Eclipse going around the outside, and last of all was Zero In, eased off the arm from barrier 1. Into the straight, 1,200 metres left to travel, and the leader was Barak Anabrak. It leads by a length. On its back, second was Ideal Joe's, about to pop off the inside here and give some cover to Diamond Eclipse, who now gets into the 1-1, as the leader's really just tapped along to keep its mind on the job. Pensini is about to occupy the leader's back, and they get clear from Zero In. Has just gone slightly roughly on that turn around the outside of Our Montebello Bro. They head towards the 800-metre mark, and the leader, Barak Anabrak, is doing it okay. It leads at a half length on Ideal Joe, goes up to put some more pressure on. Getting a nice run was Diamond Eclipse in the 1-1, and Pensini will wait for the Saddle World Shepherd and Sprint Lane. And they're 2 lengths clear from Our Montebello Bro, and a length and a half then to Zero In at the rear. Inside the 600-metre mark, and Barak Anabrak and Ideal Joe go together at the 550. Off the back straight, waiting for the run was Pensini. Diamond Eclipse is yet to peel. The big bloke, Our Montebello Bros, 3 back on the outside, and driving up on the inner was Zero In as they go inside the quarter. They're bunching up in behind the leader, which is Barak Anabrak, but it's driven along. Ideal Joe's gone to the lead, but here comes Diamond Eclipse with a run. Held up was Pensini trying to get off the pegs. Our Montebello Bros coming wide, and back to the inside was Zero In, but going to the lead was Diamond Eclipse, and it dashes for home with 150 to run. It's well clear now from Pensini. He's into the openers, charging home, but Diamond Eclipse is going to win the first. Diamond Eclipse wins it by 2 lengths over Pensini in second. Ideal Joe's run third from Our Montebello Bro. Zero In got up on the inside to pip Barak Anabrak, who has finished last of all, but saw them all safely home.